let's look at the other case. Remember, that's when a squared plus twice ab plus b squared can factor to get us a plus b squared. Let's look at x squared minus 10x plus 25. Well, x squared is a perfect square, so we get that by doing x times x. And 25 is a perfect square as well. That's 5 times 5, or it could be negative 5 times negative 5. So let's look into the center to determine if it's a positive or if it's a negative. I have a negative 10x there, so that means that I have to have a negative involved. X minus 5 times x minus 5 is the same as saying x minus 5 squared, or x plus negative 5 squared, which follows this rule here. And just to double check, our first term of the binomial was x. Our second term was 5. I'll put that over here. So 5x, and then if we multiply that by 2, we get 10x. So it did check out. It does work. Let's look at one more. Let's look at 16x squared plus, gotta think of this for a second. Let's see. 80x. All right. So 16x squared can be represented as 4x times 4x, because it's a perfect square. 100 could be 10 times 10, or negative 10 times negative 10. So we look into the center, and we see it's a positive 80. So that means we are doing plus. Plus. That can be written as 4x plus 10 squared, since we saw it twice. Just to double check that this is following our 2 times a times b rule. Here's our a value. Oops. And there's our b value. So 2 times 4x is 8x, times 10 is 80x. So it works.